Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910 2900 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your computer with USB cable. If you look on the panel, you will see that the printer is currently in a wireless mode. You will see the Wi-Fi light is flashing. We need to switch off the Wi-Fi light. So turn the Wi-Fi off. The Wi-Fi light is off. Take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer and connect this end to the USB port on the right side. Then take this end of the cable, connect it to the laptop. And you will hear a tune. Go to your laptop settings. Select printers and scanners. Then add a device. It's now going to search for available device until the refresh is done. Scroll down and look for HP Deskjet 2900 series. It will show you app is installed for this printer. Select on it. It's currently showing us idle. Open print queue. Open printer app. Print test page. Select print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Color support, yes. USB 033 data raw. So this is how to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable. If you want to scan a document, open scanner, then scroll down from the list and select HP Deskjet 2900 series. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. For example, make sure the document starts from the right on the bottom. Then you select scan. We have printed our documents. Now we are scanning using a USB cable. Then select view. This is the document we scanned. And this is the original one. This is the original one, and this is the document we scanned. If you want to print this out, you select print. Then select orientation as portrait. Then select print. So this is the document we scanned using Windows Scanner and USB cable. Another thing I want to show you is for you to add this to HP Smart App. Go to Microsoft Store. Now type HP Smart App. Install it on your computer and open it up. This is HP Smart App. Then this is the printer. Select finish setup. Now it's collecting printer status. Then it will ask you connection method, USB dictated, asks you to switch to Wi-Fi network, but continue with USB. Then select continue. Accept. Print and scan alignment page. I'm going to skip alignment. Setup complete. Select print. Then select print. Thank you for choosing HP. So this is how to connect this printer, and this is the USB cable, and we connected it using the laptop using HP Smart App. You can scan documents, you can print documents, you can print photo using HP Smart App with your laptop. Thank you very much indeed.